Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Government spending in Boblin is higher than tax revenue, so we need to find the economic result fast. Let's solve this problem together right now. When outlays exceed tax revenues, the government is spending more than it earns. This creates a budget deficit because the total income does not cover all the necessary public expenses today. To finance this deficit, the government must borrow money by issuing new bonds. This borrowing adds up over time, directly increasing the total amount of money the country owes to lenders. Since the national debt is the sum of all past deficits, it must increase. That makes option D our final winner. You got this. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.